bit to the right. To the right. Alright, straight. Full.
Push the feet backwards.
With an excavator, you never know if you're going frontwards or backwards. Okay, hold it there. Stop. Now you film the bucket. Don't touch anything, just easy. Don't move it back. We're going to clean out the culvert.
Now you can see our
stand up. You have to keep it steady. Don't jump around. Oh, there's some mud, huh? Hold it up. Don't jump around. Steady. Watch it to just hold still. Look out, Majek. One more. Hold on. Watch. Hold the camera steady. Follow the bucket. One more. Wow, there's some nice mud, huh? That's a beauty. I wonder how much gold is in there.
Yeah, maybe tons, or millions, or thousands.